Amazon just gave sellers a secret weapon. Here's how to use it to make more sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. We just ran an abandoned cart campaign that generated over $13,000 in sales. You can see it right here. This actually targets people who added your product to their cart on Amazon and then gives them a 15% discount. We did it. It didn't cost us. Technically, Amazon didn't upsell us or charge us, and we made $13,000 on this and only spent $511. Crazy numbers. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the advertising panel and then go to tailored promotions, brand tailored promotions. You do need to be brand registered to access this, but once you go here, it's going to take you to this page and you're simply going to click create a tailored promotion. Once you're here, you can click what promotion you want to make: new customer acquisition, customer retention, re-engagement, cross-sell. I'm just going to show you which one that we created, and then you can create any of the ones that you would like. But new customer acquisition, we're going to click next, and then what products you want to do, click next, and then here we go, abandon brand cart abandoners for the last 90 days. Customers who have added any of your brand products to their cart in the last 90 days but haven't purchased yet, you can retarget them for free. Technically, all you have to do is give them a discount, but technically Amazon's not like charging you extra or charging you extra to clip coupons. This is like the only thing that is a great cost. So you can do the promotion name. You have to do at least a 10% discount. You can have a budget, promotion start date, promotion end date, and then there you go, and Amazon's going to retarget them for you. Now there's also other campaigns that we can go through. It's the high potential new customers, customers who have viewed any of your products, brand storefront or reviews with a high propensity to purchase but did not purchase from your brand in the last year. High intent customers. Then we can go to customer retention, improve customer loyalty. These are customers who purchased recently and spend the most. So they can, obviously Amazon knows how much customers spend. Brand followers, repeat customers, recent customers, high spend customers, or promising customers you can retarget. Re-engagement, win back lost and churned customers. Declining promising, so customers from your brand's promising audience who are predicted to spend less with your brand in the next year. These ones probably aren't going to do as good, but hey, it's worth a shot. Might as well try to get more sales. All you have to do is just give them a minimum of 10% discount. And if that 10% converts, then you're generating more sales. And then you can also do cross sales as well. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. And again, the best thing about this is it doesn't charge you any extra. And what I'm trying to say is if you were running a coupon, so if you go to advertising and then you try to run a coupon, right? So you're running a coupon. Amazon charges you 60 cents every time someone redeems a coupon. I don't know if you knew that. So if you're running a coupon promotion, Amazon charges you 60 cents. So if 100 people click on it, that's 60 cents times 100, right? And it all adds up. So with this one, right now for the brand promotion, they do not charge you at all. You don't get charged 60 cents for this. So that's why this is such an amazing platform, because there's no loss. If nobody buys from you, you run a new customer acquisition and nobody purchases, you're still, at least you tried. You didn't lose any money. Maybe you lost 5 minutes setting it up, but it's pretty darn good. And that's it for today's video. Comment below, have you tried brand tailored promotions yet? If so, what results did you get? If not, what's stopping you? If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our number one service is our full Amazon A to Z management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, running promotions, customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend more time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.